The Conservation Champions project began back in 2018 with a short pilot in the Murray Riverina district, and we piloted the concept of taking kids out to a private conservation agreement. So the point of difference with this program is we're taking children out to privately owned lands, and often these landholders have farming enterprises alongside biodiversity. So it's really important for the students, particularly agricultural students, to see how biodiversity can fit within a farming enterprise landscape. As David Attenborough famously said, no one will protect what they don't care about, and no one will care about what they've never experienced. And it's that experience that we're hoping to really instill in the students that are involved in the Champions project.
It was really important for Petaurus Education Group and the Biodiversity Conservation Trust for this to be not just a fly-in, fly-out program. We wanted to create long-lasting connections with these schools and communities and really build the capacity of that school to continue the program even without us. So for that reason, we've actually created a lot of different aspects of Conservation Champions. It's a network of class lessons and developed resources that are curriculum linked, as well as our field day and excursion events. It also involves professional development directly with teachers and attendance at expos and conferences as well, so that we can share our learnings and what we've gained from this program through to all of New South Wales. The learning materials are very regional specific for the students. It was really important for us to represent their area and give them a sense of pride in their community and pride to take care of their environmental spaces. So we have made sure that the resources we have developed represent the different key ecosystems in that area. So we've been really making sure that everything that we create is supporting that diversity of young people and the biodiversity that we can find in New South Wales. Because it's so important to represent communities in this program, it was really important for us to make sure that we are collaborating with the community. So we make sure that in our field day events and our excursions, we are inviting presenters from the local area to bring local knowledge and expertise. And that's been a really great community effort that shows the young people that they can be conservation champions in their local area and that there are people and tools that they can connect with to help them on their learning journey and hopefully eventually career pathway.
There is nothing like this out there in the education sector, nothing that links scientists, students and private landholders in the way that we do. And nothing out there assists teachers in the way that this does, with providing professional development and providing free resources. Teachers are actually embedding the units that we've created into their science and geography and ag curriculums long after we've had field days. I'm really excited to see where this project goes. I think it can only grow and get bigger and reach more students and embed the importance of biodiversity conservation into the future generation.